Okay, we are doing a math video educational. Today we are watching math videos. Actually, I don't want to do this. I want to do Moby. Guys, this might not seem that fun. Okay, wait, let's start. Then we're going to do our mystery story that we got right here. Okay, we're going to do those soon. So I have 6 cents. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. We know a nickel is 25 cents, yes? So that means I want to do this in your head. 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 equals what? 5, 10, 50, 20. So guys, how much is dimes? How much is that worth? 30, 40, 40 cents. Oh, I meant the one that said dimes. It's not the 20. The quarter is 20. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Now it's our mystery story. Okay. Let's see. David goes to school. Okay. Hi, this is Justin. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, guys, if you want to, I have this activity. So write down, like, get a piece of paper and say David, and then you're gonna write some things about David. You can say, I'm for David is because Okay, thank you. If you do this activity, that would be really nice. School. Okay, if you have a copy, just read along with us.
Oh, it's a book?
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
Alright, it's bedtime.
Okay, today our vocabulary word is, come on, stop. Then you're gonna say bien. You too. Thank you for watching this educational video. Goodbye.